In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out on Outlook Mail. If you're using Outlook in your web browser and you want to safely log out of your email account, this is a very quick process. Signing out is especially important if you're on a shared computer, a public device, or simply want to keep your account secure when you're finished checking your mail. To begin, go to Outlook Mail in your browser. Make sure you're already on the main mail screen, where you can see your inbox and the rest of your email interface. If Outlook has fully loaded, you should be able to see the usual layout with your messages and navigation menus. Once you're in Outlook Mail, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your account settings, this might appear as a small circular profile picture, your initials, or a generic account icon. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with account-related options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. When you find it, click on Sign Out. As soon as you do that, Outlook will log you out of your mail account. In some cases, you may be taken back to the Outlook sign-in page, the Microsoft account page, or a screen confirming that you've signed out successfully. That's normal, and it lets you know the process is complete. One helpful tip is that signing out of Outlook Mail in the browser helps protect your privacy. But if your browser offers to save your login session or password, you may also want to clear that if you're using a device that isn't yours. That way, no one else can quickly get back into your account. Also, if you're signed into multiple Microsoft services in the same browser, signing out of Outlook may affect those services too, since they often share the same account session. So if you notice that you've also been signed out of other Microsoft pages, that's expected behavior. And that's all there is to it. Open Outlook Mail, click your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Sign Out. It only takes a few seconds, and it's a good habit to follow whenever you're done using your email, especially on shared or temporary devices.